All summer long, I'm going fishing, fishing. Invite your friends and your kids.
Darn. That like bite. Might be something on this one. Came off. Damn. It's gotta be gar. Gotta be gar. Well, boys and girls, I don't know what is going on. It feels like a fish, but I know I got my other line at the same time. Yep, that's a fish. That is a fish. That might be a wiper. See which. There you go. Got me a tree fish too.
And I'll make some more.
Which one are you on? Yeah, he's way out there. Freaking got a catfish. He's freaking tangled up in something else. A stick. I don't know which. He's on one of these rods. Look at that. He's on one of these rods. Which one? I don't know. I'm gonna guess it's a little channel cat. Got me all tangled up. You dumb. Look at that mess right there. This little channel cat caused all of that. You little sucker. Look at that. And he swallowed the hook. Where you at in it? Yep, he swallowed it. Well, we're gonna be retying, but I ain't caught a fish in a while, so we'll take it. Let's go. See, I moved my camera over there because I'm just getting ready to move all the poles down a little bit, but looks like we're gonna have to take a couple minutes and retie 2 lines. Well, I was just getting ready to leave, and I noticed that the water was stopping just enough where I could walk over here and fish on top of the weir. It's a little slippery, so I gotta be careful, but that's where the fish are. Try this for a little bit before we get out of here. That was a bite. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Come on. I took that shad right off there.